kids, once again I welcome you all in the environmental studies. Okay, this is our environmental studies, and today onwards we are going to learn a new concept, that is communication and technology. Under the theme communication and technology, we are connected is the theme and sub-theme is communication and technology. And under the concept of communication and technology, today we are going to learn about what is communication and how does communication evolved. Okay, evolved means grown. The growth of any technology is called evolution. Okay, how does it evolve? We are going to learn today. Last month we had all learned about our country India, its national symbols, the rulers, and the traditional food, traditional wears and all. Today onwards we are going to learn about communication. But before getting into the class, we should be very well thorough of communication. What is meant by communication, children? Communication means passing a message or information to others. Okay. For example, if I am saying that after finishing your writing work, take the picture and upload in the group. This is a message, an information that I am giving you. Okay, so this is called communication. I am after doing the worksheet, I am giving you an information, and you are following that information. That means I want to convey something to you. That is called communication. Okay, children. And there are different types of communication that we are going to learn in upcoming classes, such as verbal form of communication, non-verbal form of communication, visual and written forms of communication. These are all we are going to learn in upcoming classes. But today we are going to see how does this communication evolved. That means in very olden days, during the kings and queens, when they were ruling in our country, in all over the country, all over the world. So how does this communication evolve? Today, nowadays, we have mobile phone. But when your grandparents were children like you, do they have mobile phone in their hand? So kids, you ask this question from your grandparent that, Grandpa, when you were a small boy or small girl like me, do you have a mobile phone in your hand? You must ask this question, okay, because in olden days there wasn't any mobile phone. So when there were kings and queens, for communication was done by the means of a messenger. Messenger is a person. Okay, what does he do? He holds the message in his hand and he will go to the other village or other city or other place, from one place to other. Then he deliver the message and wait for the answer, and he take the message and runs back to his own place. Okay, so this was in olden days, very first communication was sent by messenger. So this is the picture of a messenger. Can you see the man holding the message in his hand? Okay, and then later on, after the messenger, then came pigeon. You know, children, pigeon is a beautiful bird. That bird was being trained to pass the messages. Okay, so what does the kings do? The king tie up the message in, they roll the paper and they tie up the message in the legs or the neck of the pigeon. They fly from one place to another and they take the message and they bring back the reply message also. And later on came the letters. Okay, your grandparent must have seen the letters. Letters, what do? We write the letter and we write the address and we'll post it in the post office. Okay, it may take a week, 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Sometimes it may take a month also to reach the letter. Okay, so this letter is posted in a post office. Okay, where many people, servants, government servants will work in the post office and they work in the post office. And then came the telephone. Telephone is in telephone also came after the letter. After the letter came the telephone, and telephone will be fixed in one place. Nowadays also we have telephone in the house. In some house we have telephone that we call landline telephone. So in those days, if we need a telephone, we have to wait for a month to get the connection of the telephone, and the telephone cannot be carried from one place to another like mobile we do nowadays. Okay, so the telephone will be fixed in one place, and then there will be STD center, STD shop will be there. We have to go, we have to talk in there. We have to wait for a long queue. We have to wait for it. So this was in the times of telephone. So this is how the communication evolved. First was messenger, and then came the pigeon, and then came the letters which were being posted in the post office, and then came the telephone, and then came the mobile phone nowadays, then came the fax machine. Have you seen children fax machine? So this is the picture of fax machine. So fax machine, the information being sent through the fax machine, and then came the email. Nowadays we are sending email. Email is a very quick form of communication that goes very quickly. In a blink of eyes it goes. Okay, so nowadays we are using so many communication mobile phones. We use WhatsApp, we use Facebook, Twitters, lots and lots. Okay children, so this is how the communication evolved from the olden days till date. Okay children, so did you understand children what is meant by communication and how does it evolve? Okay, to have a better understanding, you can ask your grandparents about the questions. In their days, when they were very small children like you, do they had mobile phone, do they had WhatsApp to use, do they had email to use? Okay children, so you can ask such types of questions from your grandparents. Okay, so let's do a worksheet. Take out your concept worksheet, kids. So this is a worksheet. Parent, please do write its name and today's date. Number the pictures from old to new means of communication. So here we see three pictures. One is email, then letter, and pigeon. Messenger pigeon. Here you have to correct. Passenger pigeon is there. So what you have to do? You have to put the numbers sequentially from olden to the new one. So first one was pigeon, passenger pigeon, and then came the letter. Here you have to write 2. Now 3, email. Okay, in the second row we have telephone, mobile phone, and phone. Phone was invented. So here you have to write 1. Then came the telephone, 2. Then nowadays we are using mobile phone, 3. Okay. Next, in the form of computers, which was evolved. First we have here the picture first given is computer, typewriter, laptop. Okay. In olden days, what do we do to type? We use typewriter. Even when I was in school days, I had went to typewriting classes. So I use typewriter. Okay. Typewriter will come number 1. Then comes the computer, and then comes the laptop. Okay, this is how the means of communication evolved from old to the new. So first one is pigeon, then letter, then third one is email. Okay, here first one is phone, second one is telephone, third one is mobile phone. Here first one is typewriter, second one is computer, third one is laptop. Okay, so do this worksheet, take the picture of it and then send it in the group. Okay kids, with this I am coming to an end of today's class. Until I meet you in the next new day, take care of yourself. It's you, Nanti saying bye.